Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Let's explore the history of volleyball or timeline. 1895 Volleyball was invented in 1895. William G. Morgan, a physical education instructor in the United States. 1896, the name changed to volleyball because players volleyed the ball over the net. 1910, volleyball was introduced in the Philippines by American teachers. Filipinos developed the set and spike style. 1947, Federation International de Volleyball or FIVB was founded to manage international volleyball. 1961, Philippines National Volleyball Federation or PBF became the official volleyball organization in the Philippines.